Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Facebook pixel tracking on WordPress site, complete guide step by step clearly. To disable Facebook pixel tracking on your WordPress site, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the plugins section on the left sidebar. Find the Facebook pixel plugin that you have installed. Click on the deactivate link under the plugin's name. This will disable the Facebook pixel from tracking activity on your site. If you're using a theme that includes built-in Facebook pixel integration, go to the Appearance tab. Select Customize from the drop-down menu. Look for an option related to integrations or tracking settings. Disable the Facebook pixel option if it's available. Next, check if you have any custom code snippets added to your site. Go to Appearance and select Theme Editor. In the Theme Editor, look for the functions.php file or any header and footer scripts. Remove any code related to Facebook pixel tracking that you find there. If you have inserted the Facebook pixel code directly into your site's header, go to Settings. Select Insert Headers and Footers if you are using a plugin for this purpose. Delete the Facebook pixel code from the header section. After making changes, click the Save button at the bottom of the page. To ensure that the changes took effect, visit your website in an incognito window. Use tools like Facebook's Pixel Helper to check if your pixel is still active. If the pixel is no longer detected, you have successfully. Finally, remember to inform any team members or stakeholders about this change. Your WordPress site is now free from Facebook pixel tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.